Kicking off our list at number 5 is a Grey Goose. Located in downtown Hampton, this charming spot is a local favorite for its hearty comfort food. Known for their famous chicken salad and mouth-watering homemade pies, the Grey Goose offers a cozy atmosphere that makes you feel right at home. Moving on to number 4, we have Vintage Tavern. Located in Suffolk, this restaurant is known for its southern hospitality and its focus on seasonally southern cuisine. From slow-cooked pork belly to pan-seared sea scallops, the dishes here are a love letter to the rich culinary traditions of the South. Now, at number 3, it's time to indulge in seafood at Chops. Located right in the heart of Virginia Beach, Chops serves some of the freshest seafood in the region. Whether you're after a classic clam chowder or a decadent lobster bisque, Chops has you covered. Sliding to the second spot is La Yaca. This French restaurant located in Williamsburg offers an elegant dining experience with a menu that has both classic and contemporary French dishes. Whether it's the duck à l'orange or the crepe Suzette, La Yaca delivers a delicious taste of France in every bite. And finally, the crown jewel of Hampton Roads dining. Taking the top spot at number 1 is Blue Seafood and Spirits. This Virginia Beach establishment is a culinary masterpiece that is best known for its award-winning crab soup, crab cakes, and homemade chocolate bread pudding.